Okay, the air filter. Air filter. This can be detached. This is an old style air filter. It's very easy. You just do it like this. Three. There are three of them. Then you can see it's very dirty. Very, very dirty. Just need to clean it up. Clean all of this up. Put it back. Then it will be done. This is air filter. Actually, I already detached it, so I'm going to bring all of this set, bring home to clean it. So that's it. Air filter. This is air goes into the engine after the filter. I don't see much. Okay. Air filter.